9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Welcome back, everybody. We are out at the Bi-Mart on Mohawk in Springfield, and as you can tell behind me here, we're starting to stuff the van once again. This is the third time that we've been able to stuff the van today. We've had a great response since I've been here since about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Matt and Renee here earlier today, Grace Slim earlier this morning. You can see the fellas here just working hard. So this is how they're staying warm, is that they're basically loading up all of the toys. I really want to thank everybody for your generosity, but we still need more toys. As you said, we're trying to get to about 30,000 toys last week, this week, and then again next week when we'll be out there. We're certainly not at that yet, and we think we can do it, but we need your help. So if you want to come on to help us, we'll be here till 7 o'clock tonight. And again, that's at the Bi-Mart on Mohawk in Springfield. Just bring a brand new unwrapped toy. Certainly you can buy it here if you've got some at home that you've been collecting. We'd love to have that as well. Now, let's get to the weather. That's the thing that a lot of folks have been sort of tweeting about for us here. They've been wanting to know, what is the weather going to be like? Well, as you can notice out there tonight, it is just cold, cold, cold. Our Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep is quiet. It's going to stay that way for at least a couple of days as we head in towards the back end of the work week, though. There's some big changes coming, and I'll detail those in just a second. Teens already out in Sun River and Bend. We're at 32 degrees here in Eugene. That's at the airport. Again, downtown probably a degree or two more, but I'm looking up right now, and we've got some stars, clear skies, so I'm expecting temperatures drop pretty quickly as we go overnight tonight. 37 in Roseburg and about 39 out towards North Bend and Coos Bay. So for city forecast for tonight, we're going to drop down to the low 20s across the valley. Maybe a little bit of cloud cover. Could see some patchy early frost just before sunrise. Same thing in Roseburg. As you might expect with the temperatures as cold as they are, it will likely be freezing fog, and so that is going to make the roadways very slick. High pressure aloft sitting just off to our west and north ensures that not only do we not have any storm systems coming in, but we've got that cold, dry Canadian air that's been spilling in from Edmonton in through the polar regions, and that is what's going to keep our temperatures just downright icy and in some cases dangerous, especially for the folks that homeless population, for example, the folks that are using the Egan warming centers. Next couple of nights, that will be important. Stormcast, you see, was quiet for the next 24 hours. As we get in towards the back end of the work week, though, we've got an area of low pressure that's going to spin up, pulling some moisture off the Pacific, and with the cold air in place, I think we've got a great shot of looking at some snow on the valley floor by Friday morning. We'll have more on those details coming up at 11 o'clock tonight when I get back into the studio, and I'll let you know more on that as well. But you can see the coast tomorrow will likely sit in the 40s. Chilly, but it is going to be sunny. Chilly as well, but sunny skies. Temperatures just barely above freezing as you get into the Umpqua. Cascades will be very, very cold. Mostly sunny skies there as well. Mid to low 20s, right around 20 degrees with single digits for overnight lows across the Bend Redmond area. And then also in the Willamette Valley, we'll see mostly sunny skies, freezing fog over the next couple of mornings. Okay, so out to the coast, we're going to stay in the 40s. Showers expected Friday. And then again, another chance for a system coming through Sunday and Monday in the Umpqua Basin. Snow showers Friday, I'd say late morning, early afternoon. Could see some heavy bands set up as well. Accumulations with the system coming through Friday we'll get to in a bit. But I do expect to see at least 2 to 4, maybe 5, 6 inches at the Cascade Pass level. And then in the Willamette Valley, getting hard to speak out here because it's so cold, guys. We should be looking at snow showers. And again, that may be impacting not only your morning commute, but schools as well, depending on the timing of when that snow starts to come in. And we'll obviously continue to detail that as we get in towards the next couple of days. But otherwise, we've had a great response here tonight. We're still out here for about another half hour. And I want to thank everybody for their help.
Yeah, excellent work, Justin. And we'll check in with you next half hour. Yep. Stay warm.
Sounds good.
Seismic Instruments picked up a number of small tremors in Seattle.